Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use split screen, also known as split view, on your Mac. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Split screen is a fantastic way to boost productivity by working with two windows side by side. Let's dive in. First, open the two applications you want to use in split screen mode. For this example, I'll open Safari and App Store. If the apps are minimized, simply restore them to the screen. Go to the top left corner of one of the applications. You'll see three buttons: red, orange, and green. Hover over the green button or click and hold it. This will display three options: Enter full screen, Tile window to left of screen, Tile window to right of screen. For this example, I'll choose Tile window to left of screen. After selecting the first app for one side, the other half of the screen will show your available windows. Click on the second application, in this case App Store, to fill the other half of the screen. Once in split screen, you can adjust the size of each window by clicking and dragging the divider between the two apps. This lets you allocate more or less space to each app based on your preference. To exit split screen mode, move your cursor to the top of the screen to reveal the menu bar. From there, click the green button again, or simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will return both apps to their normal windowed mode. And that's it. Split screen is now set up and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.